Hi, I just wanted to update you on the stake 66 on MetaVersePro and also on Templar DAO, how this works. Because there's a regular staking where you just buy the Meta coin and you just stake it here. But if you do the 66, this lasts for 6 hours. You do the Meta, you get the S Meta, and then you wrap it here. And then you can stake it in the 66, which is over here. This is where you would approve it, and then you put your balance in, whatever you wanted, through your MetaMask, and stake it. And here's where you unstake. But while you have it staked, for the 5 days lockup, there's a 5-day lockup period. Every day you can come here and either claim and stake. This is kind of like compounding what you'll have some rewards here, and you can compound it. It will reset the 5 days, so 5 days will start again. Or you can do the claiming if you want. Or you can just wait the 5 days and get, if you withdraw it, there's a 10% penalty. So I just wanted to let you know, if you want to do the compounding, you claim and stake, you come back here every day. Some people say it's 3 times a day. I guess, I don't know if that's when the rewards come. I'm only doing it 1 time. Some people do it 3 times a day, I guess, because the rewards come 3 times a day. Maybe they're doing it like right before the rewards come, so then you can get a higher, you can compound it and get higher. I guess that's how to maximize it. And then over here on the Templar, I did a bond, which is an LP token, which is the MIM. And they have other ones I can show you later, but I bonded it. I got the LP token and then I bonded it. Let's see if I can get over here. Yeah, you just hit approve and you bond. And then once you have it in there, and you start getting these rewards, you'll get rewards over here, and you can do the same thing, claim and auto stake, which is like compounding. Excuse me, I don't know why it switched, but you saw that, right? The rewards are here. You can claim and auto stake, which is like in the DeFi, I guess 1.0. I don't know, the original DeFi. You could just auto compound. Not auto compound, but you could always compound or harvest, they used to have, or claim. So this is similar to that. So if you get into those things, you have to do it. They're not auto compounding on some of these things. So just wanted to let you know about that. That's something that I found out about, and that's pretty much all I had for you today. Thank you. And there is a lot more to learn, but you have to, go do your due diligence. Maybe go through their social media, look up on YouTube videos, read through their documentation. That's how you can find out more. And that's all I have for you today. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. Thank you. Bye-bye.